Billy. They're taking full advantage of treat time. Oh, here we go. Yeah, late to the party.
You want some cantaloupe? Yeah? Yeah, Piper likes cantaloupe. Katie likes cantaloupe.
Good morning, Cora.
They're down in number 2.
Good morning, girl. Hi. Are you waiting for your milk? Welcome to the 10 Acre Woods. Mark here, my wife Cora, and it is a beautiful sunny day. A little chilly.
What? Minus 29?
Yeah, just a little. But because the sun's out, because it's clear, it's been overcast for weeks, and of course that's what's kept in the warmth. So we are now getting the polar vortex that is moving in upon us. So we've got this for about a week or so. So Marlene has arrived. She snuck in. She comes every Saturday, most Saturdays, and brings some treats for the animals. So it looks like, is she out there? Looks like she's out by the ponies. Morning, Marlene.
Hello. That's a little nippy.
Yeah. Have we seen the ponies? Are they inside?
They were over there.
Oh.
Levi! They saw me because they started running, but the snow was too deep.
So we have Carl, Billy. They're taking full advantage of treat time. Oh, here we go. Yeah, late to the party.
Sorry,
Get
Meadow.
the good stuff. Oh.
Don't kick.
Yeah, put your
There's
bum
lots
towards.
for everybody.
So this is how he claims his territory, his area. He'll put his bum towards usually Billy, because Billy's the one that's normally pushy. Carl is now he's now a little bit more docile than he used to be. And of course Meadow.
Trying to keep it as out of the deeper snow.
A whole bunch of hay yesterday. Filled up the building.
Hi, Billy.
Yeah.
What's
with the foot? The leg. Tap, tap, taparoo. Is your foot cold?
I don't blame him.
Right?
A tad nippy.
Yeah.
Minus
well, they've got a
minus
nice
36 with the wind chill.
yeah, something like that. They've got a nice bedded area in there without any snow.
There you
So.
go, kid.
Hey, little one. Good morning. You want some treats?
Good morning, everybody. So you will notice that we have less birds in here today. Over the last week, we have rehomed a bunch of the Muscovy females. Oh, look at this. Some melons.
The only thing that's, you see how dirty they are? It's because mating season has started, eh?
Well, and they haven't had any water to bathe in. Usually Pekin ducks
Fernando.
or white ducks and geese. Fernando.
The goose did Fernando!
Oh, did he? The white birds usually get dirty throughout the winter because they just don't have any areas to bathe. Huh. Yeah, pew, 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 pew. Fernando's getting his,
starts making noises.
getting his treats. All right, kids, stay warm, stay safe. Yes, you too.
Sebastian!
You too, Sebastian.
Sebastian!
glass is all frosted up on the door. It is, it's actually 3 degrees Celsius in here. So what's that? That's like 36 degrees Fahrenheit, 37. Good morning, Cora.
They're down in numbers too.
Good morning, girl. Hi. Are you waiting for your milk?
Ow!
What'd you do?
Now myself in a mouse trap.
Oh, no. Oh.
Jeez. Look at these things.
So the mice have been seen coming in. So we've got some mouse traps in here that we've been setting. And Tara just caught herself on one. Oh,
No carrot?
baby's first treats?
No carrot.
No carrots?
She had pea before, but
New owner, he brought treats when she came to meet her.
Hey, what is that?
no. You don't want it?
Oh, Cora.
You don't want it?
There's no like carrots. Oh,
grain,
want my
grain.
grain. I don't need that fancy stuff, she says. Right? Yeah.
Hi, girls. Hi, Onyx.
There we go.
Okay, I can hit that one. Can I hit the other one?
That's behind. There we go. Oh, oh, there's an opening starting. There's a fight.
There's feet in there.
There we go, yeah.
There you go.
Nice shot. And the girls have their cantaloupe here. They're enjoying that. Billy is just watching over, guardian. Oh, funny bird. There he goes. So a lot of our roosters headed off, so we rehomed a bunch of chickens. We got a bunch in, and then we got to change things up a little bit. So we've got a nice little flock here. Got Billy, of course, there watching over the girls, and we've got Henry over there. Henry's an old bird.
Up top, there's a paper towel up top there. Oh. You put this fork. I hate this
I
fork
can
in
do
here.
that.
Yeah, she's got a big chunk on the side of it.
Wants the good stuff.
Poop in your bowl.
Oh, is that what she did? No. Cora. Yeah, psych. Well, Tiana picks it up. Yeah. You guys have 2 different ways of doing it. I guess you like the challenge.
Bottom's so nice and clean now. No more runs. Running into everything.
All right, what do we got? We got peas or
Cucumbers.
and blueberries. Oh, there, Billy. Billy gets to eat. See, he allows the ladies to eat first, and then he moves in.
Juanita was a little jumpy. Listen to them talk to her when she throws them in, eh?
Yeah. You don't mind that squeak. It's the other guinea call that is kind of annoying.
Tails are getting long.
Yeah, peafowl are in on it.
Yeah, so my guess is this is the alpha because his tail's longer.
Which one? The one down? The one up top?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the dad. Whoa! There we go.
And these guys seem to get along really nicely. The alpaca there, sorry, alpaca.
Peacocks in there.
My back is being licked. What are you doing, Cora? Hey, you like all those different textures, don't you?
Who's chili? Oh.
Oh, actually, I just thought we didn't we didn't screw down those containers. Last week, you watched the containers here that they eat out of. 2 of them got knocked down. Oh, come on in, Petey. Yeah, let me get out of your way. I know. Where's your girlfriend? Where's Piper? Oh, she's making her way.
She was in bed too.
Yeah, she's making her way across. Okay, so here's the alpaca. The alpaca got their feet done this week, so I was able to catch some footage on that camera there. So I got a bunch of these Real Link cameras around. Oh, here's Piper. I think it was an hour and a half it took. Of course, you want to try to stay out of the spit path of an alpaca or a llama. Nobody wants to get spit on. So you grab the neck. You hold the neck and you stay behind the head. Tara at one point was saying that she had her head, I think it was Juanita was pretty bad, but I think Pedro here was a big spitter.
Hi, Pedro. I get bugs. I have to get close so you can't spit in my face.
Okay,
Oh, Pedro.
other side.
Just loving my alpaca.
Stop moving away from that spot.
Oh.
And she had her head right up against his, and he was trying to move his head around and trying to spit on her, but of course he couldn't because Tara was hugging him. There we go.
It'll be out there. No. He's getting the piece up right. Come on, more outside.
Oh. He says, no,
I gotta give Piper and Petey their treats.
Come on, Java. Oh.
Okay, come on.
Hi, Petey. You want a snack? You have a snack?
Look, go get your snacks.
You want a snack?
Look, your boyfriend's getting his snacks.
Want another snack?
There you
You
go.
want a snack?
Oh, that's much better than that dry pellet food.
You want some cantaloupe? Yeah? Yeah, Piper likes cantaloupe. Petey likes cantaloupe. He says, I'll have a double helping, please. You want some apple? The apples are little today. Yeah, they're small apples today. Just the bite size for Piper. Petey has to have 3 because, hey, you gotta have 3 because 2's just not enough. Come on, cantaloupe. Oopsie. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Did you get that one? You want another?
Is there water back there, Mark?
There's a big piece.
Water is... that's good.
A cantaloupe.
Oh, spoiled piggies.
Cantaloupe.
Oh, you spilled your food.
Is there a halter today?
She's getting a halter.
Oh, okay. So it's being dropped off?
Yeah, she was gonna be here at 10, so
Oh, okay.
we'll see.
She's getting a halter.
Oh, cow tongue. Hey, you getting a halter?
go,
Because you're gonna be a pet cow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a pet cow.
There's a baby. Yeah.
So 2 more days of milk, and then that's it. And then Cora's a big girl. Oh yes, we're gonna miss her. You've mentioned that in the comments, but she's not going far away. So I will be sure to go down and visit her with her horse friends because she's going on to a horse ranch. And the owner of the horse ranch has always wanted a cow. So yeah, she's getting a halter. And she's going to live only a few miles away. All right, piggies. Going back out. Yeah. Let me get the door. Let me get the door. Here you go. All right. Woo! Look at the fog come in.
Now get it. Look at that. Now you gotta eat off the sheets there.
There you go.
Back to bed.
Gotta eat off
Yeah,
the
back
sheets.
to bed.
The bed's probably still steaming.
Okay.
Their bed's still steaming.
Is it? Oh, it
Yeah.
is too. Yeah, you can see it in the. So this is the pig's bed, and if you look, you can see some steam still rising from the hay. That's how warm it gets in there. Okay, everybody's got their hay. Everybody has their treats, or just finishing up their treats.
No, it's empty.
One of the most important things with our cold temperatures here
It's empty.
is that they always have something to chew on. Because when they chew, it
Turbo.
keeps their body temperatures up.
Did you get treats? I hope you got treats because you didn't get apples today. You know how we
I'm
do it.
excited to take Marlene inside.
And how are these kids here? Oh, they got their treats as well. Little piles. Okay, time to go in. Will you guys have a good day? It's nice and sunny. And we will see you later today for dinner time, right, Petey? Maybe go back to bed. Yeah, go back to bed. So we're back inside out of the cold, and we don't really do too much outside because of the cold. You know, clearing the driveway, feeding the animals, doing that kind of thing. In the summertime, that's when the projects come on. You know, building a lighthouse, building a pond, building a barbecue shelter, things of that nature. So during the winter time, we do things like wool processing, which is actually the most popular video on our channel right now. So if you haven't seen that, go check that one out. It is processing wool from our sheep and alpaca, the old school process using the carding machine, hand washing, and then Tiana spins. So the other thing she does is memory bears. So she started her hand at this a while back, and she put it out there about doing, or people had contacted her about doing a memory bear. Maybe a grandfather or a parent or a grandmother had passed away, and they have their, cleaning out the closet and found a jacket. This one is actually mink, and he turned out really good. And he's really fluffy. And so the feet are like the inside liner. And then there's the little bow that's also the material from it. So it's all put together nicely. Now, last weekend, I was in my office, and Tara came in and she wanted to do another project. The plans for these are enlarge 50%. So you'd put it on your copier, you'd enlarge it, and then you'd get your pattern. Well, she wanted to go bigger.
So in the book that I've got, which is phenomenal, is the grizzly bear. And he would typically be this size of this bear here. But there's no grizzly bear that I know of that's that big, that little. So we went bigger. And of course you have to, winter's coming to an end, classes are, this was our last weekend for our classes. And so now this was about me and what I want. So we went bigger. They are all out of, there's really good patterns and stuff for putting together. There was a little lack on instructions on this one, but once you get into making them, you know how to put them together. So this is the book it's out of. The Book of Teddy Bear Making by Jillian Morgan. There's about 30 patterns in it, and they're very step-by-step, which is really nice. So you can become a professional with this book and this book only. So let's go check out my big bear, because I've been doing it all week, and I now have, you got a sneak peek on it.
You want an unveil?
I want it unveiled. Oh, got me wait, his head fell back. I got me a big comfy couch teddy bear. Oh, he's so cozy. And his arms and head move, obviously. So you can lie him down Change direction. I think I gotta put another little pin down here in the front to hold his head forward. But the cats are enjoying him too, because they've been all over him. Okay, his head won't stay.
And you had this fabric for some time.
No, I did have some black jackets, but there wasn't enough fabric for the size of the pattern that you did. So I went in and got some on sale.
Oh, you did?
I did. I don't buy fabric,
Well, it all matches.
but I had a plan.
Okay.
Yeah. This, like this is all like out of the jackets, like my spare, right? That, because it's two-tone. You're supposed to shave it, but I just adapted the pattern and see, that's what I mean. But once you know, like, this is how he's supposed to be, right? With his head flop. But what I'll do is I'll actually pin his head, and so he doesn't look like he's got a stick neck. And but he's funny, and you can rotate him to stand and whatnot. So, but he's heavy. I've saved through the years of making teddy bears and mitts and blah blah blah. I have saved all the little tidbits, like all the little leftovers. I just bag them because I can't get rid of stuff. I never know if I'm going to use them for something. Well, the legs are stuffed with all the little tidbits. So now there's no little tidbits downstairs. They're all in the teddy bear. I don't know what I'll do with them. He looks so good on my couch.
You just turn him into a chair. He's
Yeah.
got armrests.
Yeah, you're right. JD's just gonna love them. Yeah.
Yeah, so there's Tara's new big grizzly
My big
bear.
teddy bear. I checked the Guinness book to see if it was, one of the largest, but it's not.
Yeah.
Apparently 64 feet.
Yeah, 64 feet.
But
So-
mine's cuter and moves.
So I mentioned to Tara about maybe she does a snake.
Yeah, right? Do a snake all the way around the deck.
An 80-foot long snake.
Yeah.
And then we could do the Guinness book.
Yeah.
So there it is. That is this week here on the farm. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. You never know what's going to happen around here with a extra large teddy bear or some animals that come in. So that is it. If you want to check out those wool processing videos, I'll put a link right here for you. And until next time, take care, have a wonderful week, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.